this problem is called find mode in the binary tree. So I use the most naive way to solve it, but you can implement this by a faster way. Basically, somebody give you a BSD tree, or in general, you can see somebody give you a tree. Then you want to find its mode. So basically, you get 1 to 2. Then you find the 2 is the mode. The problem is that if a tree has more than one node, then you need to collect. You need to collect all of them. So I create a small function called most frequently. So somebody give you a list, you can find it. You will return all its mode. So I guess this is very easy. You just first counter, and then you say that if the count is equal to the maximum of the count, then basically this is the mode, and you should return the mode. So this is very easy. This small code just return the mode. So if you give the list is 1 to 2, then you will return the list called 2. Okay, and so basically I first create a global variable L, and this is just the in order. So this code, this collect in order will collect code. Will collect the node value. So first I initiate L and L to be 0, and then once I call the function called the collect in order, then it will collect the value in order for me. So let me show a little bit. So if you see this 1 node to 2, then I print out L to let you guys see. So you will collect 1 to 2. So once you have a list, then you just put this list into a function, and this function will put this list into the function I created before, and this function will give you a mode. Okay, so so submit. Yeah, so basically this is the whole process, the 2 small function. So once you have the tree traversal and then the list, then the find mode, then you can get the answer. Okay, so I will see you guys in another interesting video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.